Hey friends, so today I want to do a quick review on addition strategies for you guys. So we know that we want to be able to add and subtract within 1,000 using different strategies. So today I'm going to do a quick review on two different strategies that we like to use. The first one we're going to use is using that expanded form to go ahead and add those numbers. So I have my numbers 1,235 and I want to add 641 to it. If I wanted to do expanded form, we know that we need to stretch those numbers out. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my 1. I know my 1 represents 1,000. I know my 2 represents 200. My 3 represents 30. And my 5 represents 5. Now I need to take my second number and line it up perfectly. Now guys, this is 641. There's nothing in the thousands place, so when I line this up, I need to make sure that I start in the hundreds. So I know this 6 represents 600. I want to make sure I put that right in my hundreds place. My 4 represents 40. That will go in the tens place. And my 1 represents 1 in the ones place. And now I'm ready to go ahead and add. Now listen guys, anytime we read, we always read from left to right, but we want to remember when we do math, we have to do it from right to left. So we always start in the ones place to make sure that we're adding correctly. And when we start borrowing and carrying over, you'll know why that's important. Today though, I'm just going to say 5 plus 1. My 5 plus 1 equals 6. I'm going to say 30 plus 40. Now some of us will know that 30 plus 40 is, but if I do not, I always know if I'm adding two numbers with those zeros, I can say 3 plus 4 equals 7, and then I can bring down my 0, so that would be 70. Same thing with my hundreds. 200 plus 600, 2 plus 6 equals 8, and then I bring down my 2 zeros for 800. And 1,000 plus 0 equals 1,000. I can then go through and add these together, so I've got 1,000, 800, 70, and there's my answer, and that's expanded form. Now, I'm going to show you one more way that we can do this. Now this, friends, is called the standard algorithm. And algorithm is just a big fancy word. I hope I remember what my number was. Okay, so algorithms, big fancy word for just basically stacking your numbers, and it's a way that a lot of your moms and dads and a lot of us learned to do it when we were kids. So I'm going to say 1,235. Just like before, I'm going to stack my numbers, only I'm not going to use expanded form. I'm going to say 641. I want to make sure that those are perfectly stacked up by place value. And then I start with the right again, and I say 5 plus 1 equals 6. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 2 plus 6 equals 8. And 1 plus 0 equals 1. And I have my answer of 1,876. And you get to choose whichever method works best for you. See you guys later. Bye.